Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix packet loss, high ping, jitters, stuttering on Arc Riders. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what is just to do here is to go and search and just write create a restore point. And then press create here, name it whatever you like, for example Arc Riders, and then press and create it. So this, if something went wrong and you want to go back before you do some changes, so you can easily do so. What you need to do here is to go to create restore point, then go to system restore, select, choose a different restore point and select Arc Riders, right? So this is the first step. Then the next step, what you need to do here, you need to write on search view network connections, right? And then you need to disable every connection except the one that you use. In my case, it's Ethernet. So you just need to right click on it and here it will be disabled. Then look for your internet connection, go to properties. Then here, make sure client for Microsoft Networks and IPv4 is only option enabled here, okay? And then you can easily disable all these settings. Then press on configure, press yes, then go to power management, make sure allow this device to wake the computer only available for you, and then go to advanced and copy my settings here. So the first one, advanced EEE and RP offload should be disabled. EE max support speed, leave it as this. Energy efficient Ethernet, flow control, and gigabyte light should be disabled. Green Ethernet, interrupt moderation, and IPv4 checksum offloads should be disabled as well with jumbo frame as well. Then large send offload v2 IPv4 and large send offload v2 IPv6 should be disabled as well. Network address not present. NS offload disabled. Power saving mode disabled. Priority and VLAN should be priority and VLAN enabled. Receive buffers, leave it as this. Shutdown wake on LAN should be disabled. Speed and duplex highest available. Then TCP checksum offload IPv4 and TCP checksum offload IPv6 should be disabled. Transmit buffers, leave it as this. UDP checksum offload IPv4 and UDP checksum offload IPv6 should be disabled. VLAN ID 0 or leave it as this. Wake on magic packet, wake on pattern match should be disabled, and double OL shutdown link speed, leave it as it is, and then apply the changes. Then what you need to do here is to go again on view network connections, go to Ethernet, go to properties, and then look for Internet Protocol version 4, and then you need to change DNS server addresses. Basically, there is two DNS server addresses that you need to use, Google ones and Cloudflare. I'm using Cloudflare because I'm getting the best results, but you need to test it out for yourself. And to do so, you just need to open up CMD, command prompt, run as admin, and then I will put first Google ones, right? So you just need to write ping 8.8.8.8 and look what MS you're getting on average. On average, I'm getting, as you can see here, 7 MS with 0 packet loss. And with another one, another Google DNS, 8.8.4.4, I'm getting, as you can see here, 7 MS as well. If I test Cloudflare's, ping 1.1.1.1, and this is the first preferred DNS server, I'm getting 3 MS, and with alternate Cloudflare, ping 1.0.0.1, I'm getting 4 MS. So for me, Cloudflare is better, so I'm using Cloudflare. So just test it out, look what performed best for you, and then use that particular DNS server, restart your computer, and look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, then I highly advise you to use exit lag. If you have not too good of the internet connection, when I didn't have Ethernet, I use basically exit lag to play CS2. I believe it has 3 days free trial. You can test it out by clicking my link in the description below. Of course, if you buy something, I will get a small commission. But nevertheless, with the free trial, you can test it out and look if the exit lag is helping you or not. And to set up everything here, you just need to install the app, go to library, go and search and look for Arc Riders. Here, click on it, then select a region and select your particular region. And then here, you just need to press apply routes and then launch the game and look if you're getting better results or not. So yeah, that's basically it. And if I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.